I'm going to quickly show you the different ways to add a vehicle in MotorDesk. The first one is with the vehicle registration. You have an option here to take a photo of the registration, or you can simply type it in as we'll do in this example. So let's put in the registration number and click next. It'll give you a basic summary that you can just confirm to make sure you've got the right vehicle. As you can see, most of the vehicle details are brought through for you, and you can just make any little edits that you feel are needed. And then all you will need to do is put in the mileage, and you're ready to save that. And that's been added. If you click save and next, it will take you through to the next steps, such as adding images and videos and further details. But for now, that is added, and you will see it in your browse vehicles as a draft. You can also add a vehicle by its VIN. So we'll just put that in there and click next. As you can see, it's not brought through all the details that the registration brought through, but if you click on generation and select the trim and the derivative as well, you can then press autocomplete, and it will bring everything through that the registration brought through. Then it's again just a case of mileage and hit save. You can also add a vehicle to order by simply pressing to order. To order vehicles are vehicles we have for sale but do not physically own yet. For example, this might be a new vehicle which we would order when the customer places an order with us, or it may be a bespoke vehicle which we're going to build for the customer based on their order. It's not a listing for a single vehicle that's in stock. It's a listing for a range of potential vehicles that can be ordered. To better demonstrate what I mean, I've added a BMW 3 Series as a to-order vehicle. And if you go to the stock and value section, you'll see that you have a quantity available. So if I put in 10, for example, and save that. Now, when we go to the website, I will see this listing here and click into it as normal. And then if I were to reserve it, I'll just type in some test customer details. Once the customer has reserved this to-order vehicle, we can see that it's created a new version with a stock ID. If we click back into the original to-order listing and go to the stock and value section where we entered the quantity, you can see there's now 9 available instead of the 10 we put in. If you then go down to manage stock, you can see where this new reservation has been created. Now, if another customer were to come to the website and place another reservation on this same vehicle, as soon as they make their payment and reserve the vehicle, we will see that another 3 Series has been created with another stock ID. And if we go into the original to-order listing again and go to stock and value, the quantity is now down to 8. And also if we go to manage stock, we can see the second vehicle that's been reserved. So essentially you can use this as a single listing for a particular type of new vehicle, and the customers will be able to just use that same listing to order as many as they like.